I thank the Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture to invite me here today to dialogue with the industry of the region. I believe it is India's moment and I believe it is India's century now. At the state level and at the regional level, it is also your time with growth and development ahead. You have the unique opportunity of leveraging this growth curve, especially since the MSME sector can design its scale-up strategy from the bottom of the curve in a new environment. Today, from being in the feeble five, India is in the top 5. India aims to grow to a $7 trillion economy by 2030 and join the ranks of developed nations as Viksit Bharat as we know by 2047. And you in Marathwada have a tremendous opportunity to leverage this growth path and be the architects of Viksit Bharat. After a gap of 1200 years, India will join the ranks of the world's developed nations. And therefore, what I tell every international investor is that India has to be viewed as a long-term strategic investment opportunity to the West, the global South and the East. Because of scale, because of an enabling government and because of a highly developed growth curve, you have a globally competitive export potential embedded. In this very positive India moment, how do we as MSMEs across businesses scale up and ensure we leverage this growth curve? Because we've seen that we have the environment. From startup to scale up, entrepreneurship encourages innovation and enables the economy to make a quantum leap. As we know, MSMEs are the backbone of the economy with over 63 million in the country. With the ongoing mainstreaming of AI, biotechnology, renewable energy, technologies like green hydrogen, green mobility, you will need to anticipate and adapt to these new technologies, keeping profit and sustainability goals in mind. Pay close attention to sustainability in terms of reducing the carbon footprint of the enterprise and becoming a part of the circular economy. The world is getting very serious about climate change. For an MSME to become more sustainable, it will be more than a regulatory requirement. It will add to your ROIs as carbon and circular economy credits become more widespread, especially in the export markets. Most important are your standard operating procedures. They lay the foundation for scalability by providing a framework that can be easily replicated as the company expands. Second is your outsourcing model. If you outsource the low value add activities and you do in-house the high value add, then you're developing a very profitable model. A good outsourcing model also helps to increase what we call value add per person when you're scaling up. Don't scale up too fast. Wait for that inflection point. Build your financial strength. Build your positive cash flow. Then only look at scaling up. Most MSMEs, micro businesses and even startups have sufficient number of women representation on their boards in the decision-making process. MSMEs must now make their boards a forum or a platform for adding high amount of strategic value addition, for bringing in a certain amount of diversity. So that is very, very important.